In this video, I'm going to very quickly show you how to install the Alcantara steering wheel from Hyundai. It is quite simple. All you're going to need is a small flat-headed screwdriver and some sort of impact driver. The goal that we are aiming for is that there are tiny little holes here that we're going to be putting the screwdriver into to push these bars. As an example, just gonna take the screwdriver and push it through the hole, and we're gonna push that on both sides. And we're gonna do it on this sucker. So we're gonna find the hole. Takes a little bit more force than you would think. So you're gonna find it and you're gonna press, and then you're gonna press and press and press and press and press. And then you're gonna pull. Oh, I got the one side. There we go. So we got those, and you'll see here that we have two airbag connectors. There are little tiny orange tabs, and you're gonna have to pull down on both of them with the vehicle off, of course. So let's get that going. And so here are those orange pins I was talking about. You see how that actuates those. You have to get in there with two small screwdrivers and pull down on both of them at the same time, which will allow you to pull this out of the airbag assembly. See that there. Once you have both of these, you're going to unclip this here, pull that up out of the way. This here, you're going to press in with your thumb. Thumb or screwdriver. Come on. Pop that loose, pop that out. And then we're going to take our impact driver, which is a 21mm socket, and we're going to gun this off. Of course, my battery's dying. Let's try that again. New battery, 21mm. Hit this with the gun. Now it is imperative that you use an impact because there is Loctite on these. You will see on the steering wheel and in the steering shaft, there are markings on the shaft and markings on the wheel. We'll now be able to pull this wheel off and put the new one on and align the dots. So let's slide this sucker off, just like so. Wire harness will feed through the holes here. Come on. And then you'll have this, your airbag harness and your markings on your steering shaft. So we're going to take our new airbag, new steering wheel, feed the airbag wires through, like so. Feed it up and get this sucker back on, like so. All of the markings now line up. And now assembly is reverse of removal. Take that, pop that in, make sure it's in good. And then the kit came with a new bolt with Loctite on it. So we're gonna take our new bolt, thread it on, get our impact driver, and send it home. Now that that's tight, we can finish our assembly, feeding the wire down to the left of the nut around that hook there. We can get our airbag. We can reconnect our little suckers here. Get that in there, like so. It will just snap in, and then just snap in. Place the airbag back in the center, and then to re-engage it, you just give it a good press. Make sure both sides are on. And there you go. Now you have an Alcantara steering wheel. Thank you.